How to back up your iPhone using your MacBook computer. So I'll show you how to back up all of your phone's data using your MacBook. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to your Mac computer like this, and then just click on Finder at the bottom of the taskbar. Now, once you have Finder open, go and grab a USB-C cable, and you'll need to plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your Mac computer. Now, once it's connected, you'll need to go and unlock your iPhone, and if this is your first time connecting the devices, you may get a Trust This Computer message pop up on your phone. Make sure just to go and click on Trust. Now, from the left-hand side on your Mac computer, you should be able to see your iPhone. Go and click on it like so. Now, if you don't see your iPhone here, I'll show you how to fix this in just a second. So if you do see your iPhone, from this window, scroll down, and here we have the backup options. So you can either back up your data to the iCloud, but what we're going to do is back up the data onto the Mac instead. Make sure you have this option selected. You can choose to encrypt the backup as well. So this is basically a password that just protects all of your personal data. So I do recommend setting a password for this, and then press the Backup Now button. Now, once again, you may get a Trust This Computer message pop up on your phone. Make sure to enter your iPhone's passcode to go and start the backup. Once it's finished backing up, you'll be able to find Manage Backups, and here you'll be able to find all of your previous backups. Now, if your iPhone is not connecting to your Mac computer, then what you'll need to do to fix this is open up the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and click on General, and then scroll down to the very bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now click the Reset button and click on Reset Location and Privacy. You may need to enter your iPhone passcode one final time. Once the location and privacy has been reset, you can disconnect your iPhone from your Mac computer, try reconnecting it to your device, and you should get that Trust This Computer message pop up, and then you can just follow along with the previous steps.